NIR is an innovative technology developed by Cerebro startup. Its purpose is to help in the rehabilitation of neurological patients in the prevention, protection, and improvement of the brain functions using near-infrared light. NIR is based upon photobiomodulation methods, and it's constructed to work on the entire cerebral cortex. Frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal lobes are involved. It allows to work on two channels. Channel 1 acts on the motor, premotor, and visual areas. Channel 2 acts on the executive, sensory, and language areas. The main part of the device is the NIR helmet. It has 256 lit lights inside it. It can be controlled remotely by the operator using a controller which is calibrated to work on 4 different levels of intensity, from 25% to 100%, and a duration that can reach 18 minutes. The operating principle of NIR is that of photobiomodulation, whose beneficial effects have been shown by scientific research and data. We have an non-invasive passage of light in the wavelength range between red and near-infrared, with lambda around 810 nanometers on a cerebral cortical surface. When the light source is placed in contact with the skull, it passes through different layers and eventually reaches the cerebral tissue. Here, it interacts with the chromophores located in cells. Light induces a complex chain of physiological reactions, starting with a molecule called cytochrome C oxidase, or CCO. This chromophore, or complex 4, is the last enzyme in the mitochondrial electron transport chain. Cytochrome C oxidase may be inhibited by nitric oxide. However, the light absorbed by cytochrome C oxidase can dissociate nitric oxide. Research shows that these absorptions reach their peak in the range of light with wavelength of red and near-infrared. Recent research indicates that light can enhance performance in normal tissues and cells. In fact, when nitric oxide is dissociated, the mitochondrial membrane potential is increased, more oxygen is consumed, more glucose is metabolized, and more ATP is produced by the mitochondria. There are several situations that can benefit from the use of NIR. Those situations include pathologies like Parkinson's disease, skull trauma, depressive disorder, stroke, Alzheimer's disease, neuroinflammation. It may also help in drug and alcohol addictions, vasculopathy, glucose metabolism disorders, lack of attention and focus, memory problems, whether it's long or short-term memory. NIR can enhance our cellular metabolism. It improves cerebral blood flow. It acts like a neuroprotective factor against apoptosis, senescence, and cellular toxicity, as it promotes the survival of our nervous cells. NIR has an important positive role in the modulation of oxidative stress. It has anti-inflammatory effect, and it also increases neurogenesis and synaptogenesis. Thank you for your attention from Cerebro Startup. For any further information, please contact us on the phone numbers below or to the email address info@cerebrostartup.it.